Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And my last video, I did a review on my entry-level gaming PC. And I've had this for 6 months. And for 6 months, I've never cleaned it. Here, take a look. I'm not sure if the camera can see it, but the tempered glass really needs some cleaning. Okay. But inside, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lot of dust here. Okay. So that's why I ordered this. By the way guys, if I'm making a video, I think na Taglish or Tagalog na lang tayo, like this, local review, Shopee, Tagalog, Taglish tayo. And if I think the video is more for like international, could help international people as well, I will do English. Bahala na kung mag-English Carabao ako. So anyway, let's go ahead and review this. I got this sa Shopee for 188 pesos only. It's a portable vacuum. Okay? So kinabit ko na yung isang attachment dito. And this is what it came with. Okay? Yung mahabang nozzle and yung isang nozzle niya na may brush. Ito yung charging cable niya. USB to Type-C siya. It also came with an extra filter na pwedeng hugasan. Para buksan, kailangan mo lang siyang iikot ng konti. Pull out. Actually, ito madali lang to. Pinush in ko lang din tong filter and then just push it back in. Itong kabila, ito naman yung blower. This is what we're going to use to clean the PC. So, iniikot lang din to sa likod. Dito yung saksakan niya ng USB-C. Try natin muna sa papel. Let's see Yeah, kayang-kaya naman. Paano naman kung cardboard? Try natin. Kaya pa. Okay. Those who don't know, top loader, lagayan to ng mga trading cards like yung akin, mostly NBA cards. Try natin. So, plastic to. Hindi niya na kaya. So, honest review, medyo mahina yung suction power ng portable na to. Try naman natin yung niya, yung blower. Ayan. Napupush naman na konti. Okay. By the way, mga alikabok lang naman So hopefully malinis niya. Okay guys, na-disconnect ko na lahat ng wires. Dahan-dahan lang kasi sayang pag nabasag yung tempered glass, mahirap to palitan. In most cases, you need to buy a new PC case pa. Okay? So, ayan malikabok siya. This one, madali lang to. Lilinisin ko lang using a glass cleaner. Here we go inside. Ayan. Alikabok. Sa fan ng motherboard, yan. May mga konting buhok ng mga doggies namin. Talagang marami Pag may pets ka talaga, marami yan. Maraming hairs. Okay? So, let's go ahead. Try and clean it. Testing. Natatanggal naman yung alikabok. But parang hindi siya ganun kalakas. Ayan, nakita mo. Napupush naman niya yung fan. Sa loob. Nagcha-charge siya. But, yun nga lang, yan. Kailangan mong gamitin tong manipis na cable na kasama niya. Okay? So, hindi yata niya kaya yung normal charging sa mga cellphone natin, even though Type-C siya. Fully charged, umabot to ng mga 3 to 4 hours, mga ganon. Medyo matagal siya mag-charge. Area na to yan, medyo madumi. Makikita nyo, ito yung loob. Nakuha din niya yung buhok ko, yung hair sa loob. And yung ibang, yan nga, yung dumi, nakuha naman in fairness. Try pa natin. So, inilawan ko dito para makita natin yung loob. And, I don't know if kitang-kita sa camera, but pati yung hair fibers nakuha nyo. And, ayan yung mga dumi. Ayan, oh. Nakuha yung dumi sa kotse, sa loob ng kotse. Final verdict ko dito sa product na to, I think okay siya when it comes to vacuum. Okay? And hindi naman magkakasya dito yung mga piso-piso kasi maliit lang yung nozzle niya. Yes, magagamit ito sa mga sasakyan nyo. But only time will tell kung matibay siya. Kasi nga, mura lang. Less than 200 pesos. But when it comes to the blower, doon ako medyo na-disappoint. Medyo nahinaan ako sa blower niya. Simple lang siya. Plug and play, recharge, tapos pindot. Okay. Wala siyang power 1, 2, or 3. Walang levels yung power niya. But I would still recommend this, actually. For less than 200 pesos, not bad. Pwede nyo gamitin sa mga cars, mga office light cleaning. Kung makatulong tong video na to sa inyo, and if you like the video, please hit a like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. And also, I'll see you on my next vlog.